The Kenosha Area Business Alliance and the Kenosha Area Chamber of Commerce are proud to recognize Dr. F. Gregory Campbell for his 25 years of distinguished service to Carthage College and Kenosha County. Dr. Campbell is retiring as Carthage's 18th and longest-serving president in August 2012. Under Dr. Campbell's leadership, Carthage has constructed and renovated many campus buildings, including the Annie Tarbell Athletic and Recreation Center, Hedberg Library, the Clausen Center for World Business, and the new Student Union. It has more than tripled enrollment. 7,000 students applied for 700 seats in this autumn's entering class. In the midst of this growth, Dr. Campbell has ensured a balanced annual budget for 24 consecutive years. During his tenure, Dr. Campbell has worked closely with both the city and county leadership, as well as the business community and many community organizations in Kenosha. He served for many years on the boards of the Kenosha Area Business Alliance and United Hospital System and co-chaired the Kenosha Progress Committee, which was charged with building a community consensus for the Harbor Park project in downtown Kenosha.
Greg Campbell joined what is now the United Hospital System Board of Directors in 1987, shortly after becoming the president of Carthage College. In 1997, Paul Gergen retired as our vice chairman of our board of directors, and Greg Campbell became the vice chairman at that time. Greg has never taken his eyes off the ball when it comes to assuring that our medical staff and our employees deliver the absolute highest quality of care to the patients of our community.
Under Greg's leadership, Carthage has changed greatly. First of all, in the structure of the buildings, he took a massive engagement in creating these new buildings and new housing. I mean, we have new housing that's far more than we ever anticipated, and they're filled, and people are signing up. They want those new dorms. As far as the student body, that has grown, and it's all quality growth, and it's also we have to realize when the student body grows that the faculty has to grow, and you have to have capable people for the education of these students so that the parents feel comfortable that they're coming to a school, and Greg was able to do that.
I would characterize President Campbell as a builder. I know that as a young man, his father, I believe, was engaged in building, and he used to talk to my father about that. And he truly likes to carry ideas forward to their completion, not just brick and mortar, as we've seen with all the new buildings on campus, but also with ideas and concepts. He's changed lots of the programs at Carthage, making them more attractive to students, while still retaining the original concept of a good, strong liberal arts campus.
I think Greg's qualities are spearheaded by his sincerity and his absolute honesty in his presentation of the facts as he presents them.
As vice chairman of the board, Greg serves as the chairman of our Professional Affairs Committee, which is a committee made up of our board leadership and our medical staff leadership. Greg has earned the respect and admiration of every committee member that has ever served on the Professional Affairs Committee, wherein he dissects every quality of care issue in a detailed and caring manner, always placing the patient's interest first.
I think Carthage has had a wonderful economic impact, but I also think it's had an important cultural influence on the community. Carthage does a very good job of getting people to the campus and opening eyes in the community to what that campus has to offer. Theater, sporting events, family days at the Tarbell Center, and every person that comes on that campus then realizes what a jewel that institution is.
Greg has supported and rallied board member and community support for major United Hospital System undertakings such as the creation of the Michael E. DeBakey Heart Institute, the Joseph F. Andrea Regional Cancer Center, and our close and important relationship with Froedtert Hospital and the Medical College of Wisconsin.
I believe that President Campbell's legacy is certainly the thousands of students who have been through their years at Carthage and left with the tools to make a successful life for themselves.
Greg has clearly been a visionary for both Carthage College and United Hospital System, and neither would have made the important footprint that both organizations have left on our community without Greg. It's truly an honor to work for and with Greg Campbell.
Greg, I'd like to say it's been a great friendship. I've enjoyed it a lot. I've learned a lot. We have had some interesting times when we traveled to different meetings with the board, and I have enjoyed our relationship, and salute